So good day everyone. So now I just realized like many people cannot find some images. Like I have some design on my phone, so I just go there, pick some. But if you don't have, don't panic. Don't worry. I just want you to download this app now. I want you to download this app called Pinterest. Okay. Once you download it, then you are going to any image that you want. You are going to get it from there. So just click on the app. Let's go and explore images. 100% images are there for free. So once you come, click on this, then click on the up sign, click here on the up here, then you sign in with your Gmail account. After that, you click on the search button, search for any image you want. Let me just say, what should I search about now? What should I search? What should be our next topic? Let me just our logo. So it's going to bring us different types of logos. We know the one we are going to pick. Okay. Let's just explore, or let me just put clothing logos. Clothing logos. So depending on the kind of design that you want to make, if it is about food, you can just search food logo. Then after you edit everything so smart. So it seems like I like this one. Let me just click on the three button over here. Click on the three button. Then click on it, download the image. Click on it. You say image downloaded. Click on it, download the image. This app you can get 1000, like you can explore millions of images for free. Okay, so this is a 3D logo. Our next class, I'm going to show you how to design something like this. Okay, this is amazing. So let's go. As you can see, this one too is even good. Download image. Then moving to ChatGPT. Alright, don't panic, it's going to be easy. Just follow it to the end. So I have created a lot of image with this my Gmail account, so I just need to log out. Let me log in with my another Gmail account. Okay, wait a little bit. Let me just log in with this one. Okay, so this is the thing. Click on the plus sign, click on add photo. Then let's design about this one first. Let's design about this. Okay, so I want you to give me the exact prompt used for creating this logo. Then send it. Alright, just come down here, you will see a prompt. Okay, so click on copy, just long press on it and copy it. Copy, then let's go to our notepad and edit some things over there. Then click on the plus sign, edit a lot of things. Edit, change the phone number, 6240. This is my phone number, just doing a random lesson. Okay, so alright, so this is create a clean modern white fashion telegram logo, placing a virtual machine on the top video is brand name. Okay, let me change the brand name. Let me just use super text. There is nothing there. Okay, in a large bold under the brand name as slogan, home of fashion. Alright, elegance black, includes simple sewing needle, a button placed on a small TikTok and WhatsApp icon, text super text. Then yeah, nothing is going to be edited. Just after editing it, copy, then go to ChatGPT. This is one of the app like that can create you a source of income without even spending a dime. Alright, then paste it, then click on the send button. It says sending, so it's creating the image now. It's already creating the image. Okay, so it must give us a notification after creating the image. So let's wait a little bit for the image to finish creating. Still creating the image. We are going to have a little kind of patience. Alright, so let me just start a new chat. Let's do another example. Click on photos. Which one again? This is just design using AI, so it's not so let me just do a brief explanation about picture edition. Let me try this one. I have not did it before, but let me just use this picture to do it. I want you to edit this picture for me and make it look like a studio picture. I want you to act as a professional picture photo editor and edit this picture. Okay, that is it, creating image. So let's go and see the logo design. Let's see it. Alright, so as you can see, you don't need to crack your brain. Like, this is so simple, you don't need to crack your brain. Okay, so for you to download it, click on the download button here, or you come back like this and long press it, then tap on save here, then it will automatically save to your phone. So that is it. This is one of the most simplest app you can use to design even from scratch, and one of our next training is going to be how to design from scratch, like zero idea, just that the client or anybody give you a design, like, I want you to design for me about something like this, then you pick up from scratch. You do not know anything about it, you will not go to Pinterest to find images, but if you want, you can go to Pinterest. So let's check out our photo edition. As you can see, the face remain the same. Like, no one will edit picture for you in this form and charge you less than 3,025. So as you can see, within some minutes now, the picture I've successfully edited. So that is it. Okay, in our next class, we are going to do a great course. Oh my god, the lesson is going to sweet. So make sure you follow up, submit your assignments, because it's gonna be great. Okay, thank you all, bye.